Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will design the layout of CMOS inverter using Microwind. The practical is from VLSI CMOS Design Lab of JNTUH curriculum for ECE department. So let's begin. To begin, double-click the Microwind icon to launch the application. Click the Palette button to open the palette window. Next, click on the MOS generator to select either an NMOS or PMOS device. Let's start by selecting a PMOS device. Set the units to lambda, and for this demonstration, we'll set the width of the PMOS to 10 lambda. Click Generate Device and then click anywhere on the screen to place it. To add the NMOS device, click again on the MOS generator and select NMOS. For equal rise and fall times, the width of the PMOS should be twice that of the NMOS. Since we selected a PMOS width of 10 lambda, we'll use half that width, 5 lambda, for the NMOS. Click Generate Device, then place the NMOS by clicking on the screen. Press Shift plus Ctrl plus A to display the entire window. Perform a DRC check to ensure there are no errors. If needed, move the NMOS or PMOS devices to simplify the layout. We'll adjust the NMOS so it aligns easily with the PMOS. Next, use the Stretch and Move button to extend our metal layer. Connect the PMOS and NMOS accordingly. Connect the poly layer to create the input. Extend the metal layer from the source region of the PMOS to the outside. Then, connect the supply voltages, VDD to the source of PMOS and N-well. Similarly connect VSS to the source of NMOS. For the input, select a clock and place it on the poly layer. Name it INV_N and set the frequency as required. Click Assign. To see the output, select Visible Node and label it INV_out. Click Assign again. Now, we're ready to simulate. Click the Simulate button to view the waveform. Since we've set the NMOS width to half that of the PMOS, we achieve equal rise and fall times. Adjust the time scale for a clearer view of the waveform. Remember to hit the Reset button whenever you change settings. Experiment with different values for a detailed evaluation. Go to the Voltages and Currents menu to display frequencies and peak values. Click Reset to update the display with various current values and frequencies. Under the Voltage versus Voltage tab, compare the input and output voltages. In the Frequency versus Time plot, observe how the frequency changes over time. View the FFT plot. Adjust the X scale to examine finer details. Select any scale parameters to view the frequency time plot. Return to the simulation menu and click Reset to observe power consumption. Here, the power consumption is displayed in microwatts. You can close this window now. If the layout isn't suitable for printing or other purposes, we can adjust it. Go to the File menu, select Color, and change the background to white. This will also change the simulation background, making it suitable for printing. Finally, save your design as a MSK file for future use. This completes the layout for a simple MOS inverter. This completes our discussion on layout design of CMOS inverter using Microwind. Do not forget to subscribe and like our channel. So until next time, happy designing.